Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I've got another box set that I'm going to assemble. So I just got it delivered from Amazon there. This is the Wesley Moo Artificial Flower Combo box set in burnt orange. I will put the link to this box set on Amazon in the descriptions. I'll also have a link on my website at orlandorose.com. And I just got it here. It comes in this beautiful box, and I was so happy to see that it does indeed have the stems on it. I did get a box set once before where the flowers and the stems came separate, which is fine. It just takes a little bit more time to put everything together. But I'm going to go through and separate everything. You can see there's a lot of flowers here, just kind of straightening out the stems. And then I will take a moment to sort through the colors on there. This set, at the time that I bought it, was $20. I think that was like the regular price. So it's not super expensive. It would be great if you have a lot of people standing up in your wedding. It just kind of is a little bit more cost effective. But what attracted me to this particular set was that it had these black flowers in it. And I thought it'd be interesting to put together a design. Now I know the black and the orange colored flowers are going to kind of take a back seat to those lighter color flowers, just because the lighter colors are so much more brighter, and you can see that the black does kind of fade away. So I want to make sure that I'm going to evenly disperse that black and the burnt orange throughout the bouquet and not clump them together into a big spot on there. I did have to be a little careful with the black to make sure that it didn't start looking like a soccer ball. That was my other hiccup. But it was a little bit difficult to design with just that. They give you one big, almost like peony there that I was going to use at the top of the bouquet, but little by little it slowly worked its way to the front of the bouquet, which again is fine. Just kind of evenly dispersing out the colors works just well too with a regular round hand-tied bouquet there. But it just was a little difficult to work with as far as design. But I do love these colors. Right now, at the time that I'm making this, it's just into October. And so we're starting to think about fall colors, but we're still kind of hanging on to that touch of summer. So we've got that peach and the cream from summer, and then we roll into the kind of tan and the burnt orange and black of October. So this is actually a great bouquet for Halloween time, because you don't have to do the creepy Halloween bouquet, but you do get that little bit of orange and black. It'd be so pretty with like a burgundy gown, or gosh, even like a light green gown, or like a moss green. That'd be really pretty color combination to work with. But I am just working the flowers into a round dome bouquet. I'm going to put they have some pretty gold leaves in there. Work the greenery around it. I would also take some leaves, if you have extra artificial leaves lying around, and just tuck them along the bottom there to hide the mechanics, so that nobody knows how your beautiful bouquet got put together. And now I was getting ready to tie off with a chenille stem, and then I realized I didn't add all the flowers yet. I still had two little guys hiding there. So tuck those in, and then there's those little guys. So yeah, I'll just work them in, then I'll tie it off with a chenille stem, and then wrap the stem with a wax floral tape. You could add a double-sided satin ribbon on the handle too. But it really is a very pretty color combination. A little difficult to design, but I think overall it turned out as a beautiful bouquet. So I would recommend this box set. Always got to give it a little fluffing at the end there. Make sure it looks perfect. But there we go. All set. Thank you so much for watching.